Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we are going to see together when are we going to restart the bull cycle that we crave for. Before we begin, do not forget to join our Patreon, Patreon/MindYourCrypto. You're going to take easy profits there. We are going to guide you through the Telegram. We are working from there and you will get easy profits. Choose your tier, which suits you the best. And thank you for watching. Let's go right now to see what are we going to do with BTC. So BTC against USDT chart right here, you can see that we are having over the last few cycles a nice fake out. Look at this. First time it was back on 17 August 2015. Everyone thought that we are going for the way all the way down right here. We had a huge buying pressure going and starting the bull cycle. Next we had, of course, the pandemic. 9 March 2020, we had a correction going on right there. We went down from the 200 moving average as well. And then we had a pump and therefore the next bull cycle started. The previous historical data, we didn't have anything like a crash or like a shake out for the weak hands to sell the Bitcoin, and therefore the Feds would get even more. Okay, we didn't have anything like that during the bull cycle of 2011, but the market was premature, and of course then the Feds would know better, right? Would know better how to shake the market out. So what I'm expecting right now is kind of the same situation right here. And why I'm saying that? Because we are already in a buying zone for BTC chart. Look at that. This is a buying zone for BTC. Beyond the 200 moving average, I think that everything is looking good right now to go even higher. Eventually though, you have to be careful about these shakeouts that I'm expecting. So in my opinion, my personal humble opinion right here, team, what are we going to do is simply this. We are going to go further down right here into maybe the 16.2k. What I mean by that is that we are going to go sideways over the next few weeks. Okay, this is my personal humble opinion right there. We are going to go sideways, a little bit further up, a little bit further down, doesn't matter. But after, we are going to have a crash going on, potentially maybe around winter 2022 to 2023. We are going to see that though. Okay, I'm not sure about the exact time because we have the recession going on, the global economic recession. I'm expecting worse times during the 2022 and 2023 winter, and especially after. Okay, so in my personal opinion right here, we are going to go sideways, having a crash, a fake out as we call it, to the downside, and then we are going to go all the way up from the 16.2k. This is the 16.2k mark right here. Yes, we are going to go further up from 16.188 USDT, and maybe we are going to go even further slightly down. Buying pressure right here, huge buying pressure that will lead all the way to the 20k, and this will be the start of our next bull cycle. Now I want you to be extremely careful, and I want to tell you something that I have found. I really want to say when are we going to start it, but this is pretty hard because we have the global economic recession, and therefore we do not know what the result of the war will be, for example, or when this global economic recession will end. But all we know is that we are not so far away from the Bitcoin's halving, less than 2 years remaining until we see the Bitcoin's halving. And usually in the past, we have seen the bull cycles happening before the Bitcoin's halving, right? Here, for example, we had the Bitcoin's halving was at the May 2020. Okay, May 2020, we had the Bitcoin's halving, and however, you can see that we started a little bit sooner, right? Until we had Bitcoin's halving right here, and we went all the way upwards. Okay, so that's what I'm saying right now. I'm thinking that BTC is going to go all the way up. Personally, if you want me to tell you when are we going to get there, what I personally believe about it is that we are going to go into the middle of 2023 to start our serious bull cycle. What I mean by serious, I mean that we are going to go above the 69k, all right, above the 69k right here. Now I want to mention something very important. What happens if we go down to the 11k? Because many people do not know what will happen if we go down there. It will be very much harder to regain our strength and go even to the 33,000 Tether USD. Do not think that it will be very nice and very good to go down here eventually so you can rebuy at the 11k Bitcoin. No, it won't be so good. Okay, so what we are going to do is simply with BTC to go, if we are about to go to 11k, then this won't be good. However, personally, if you ask me, Bill, can we go to 11k? Maybe because of the global economic recession. If we didn't have the global economic recession, I would tell you no. I would tell you that we are going to have a fake out to the market, maybe at around 16k that we talked about, okay, and then we are pumping up. And personally, I think that after 2023 we are going to see some relaxation, some hype to the market again. In the meantime, many companies right here are working very hard to make the best projects ever. Some of them just want the money, to grab the money and go out and exit. Some others really are interested in the crypto system and their projects, and they want to succeed, like Ethereum, like Chainlink, and many other projects like Polkadot. Okay, so these projects are going to go and have a huge impact in the cryptocurrency market and go even higher. Same for BTC chart. We just need to stay patient, okay, because right now the problem right here is that I'm not seeing Bitcoin being so strong even in the lower time frames. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. I believe 16.1k will be the week that we will have a blast off. Maybe a little bit further down, we will have to wait and see. Do not forget to join, of course, our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto, and of course you soon with many more videos. I'm going to have another update about this matter. I have many more things to say. Thank you. Bye.